must live. You have to hustle hard.
Know that Dubai is not a good home for Africa, but we are still endure.
Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV show. Today, I break this news come from now. Our brother and our sister, when they deport from all the way from Dubai, when we know United Arab Emirates, they deport them. The thing when he pay me for is I get one of our brother now say for the beginning, when he say he get things for Dubai, but they naked in, they collect everything from him. And he pray me our government may they do better. And I see something for a year when they say they'll give them $100, but for me $100 is not enough. Please, our government, you hear what this now son talk. He said if Nigeria, he said if our government can in fact provide work for them, those hard work when they work for other country, they go work out for their country. Please, our government, this is challenge to you guys. You guys should wake up. Not be everywhere though for the deport ox. May now wake up. Arab, Dubai, they build their country. Please, our government, may now do this thing for us. We need light. We need security. We need good roads. Those are the things government still do. At least as now they bring all those things in, are still part of job. So that all those our brother, our sisters, I know where Nigeria for fear me, where people they die on top of river for Libya. I think say my country go change. But still, our people still they packed. They fast where the one for Jakba. May God have mercy on us. I will leave and listen to this video. One of our sisters said, not every girl that leave Nigeria be prostitute. Say she work for Dubai. She bring all the proof. Our government, can you guys wake up and do something so that una sisters, una daughters, una brothers, una sons know they pass through for other man's land. I please, with this my platform, I use and beg Nigeria government, wake up una they sleep. May una wake up una do something. Not be everywhere though for the deporters. Now Arab, where people, where they thief our money go? That is Dubai. Our rich people, nobody will not get house for that side. Those our rich people now get house for there. Okay, now no fee carry ox. We want with the hogs. Now only our money, only the thief ones. When they thief our money, go Dubai, go buy house, buy land, thief our money, thief the citizen money. May God have mercy on us. Please, our government, may una have mercy. I don't know whether I sound well, but I dey vex. I dey vex.
It is not better than Nigeria. I am 100% sure of that. Nigeria is our country. There is future in Nigeria. There is prospect in Nigeria. We can make it better in Nigeria. As you are back here, we want you to come and help us to build Nigeria to be better than Dubai. Will you do that? Will you do that? Please, we want you to be good ambassadors of this country. You are welcome back to Nigeria. We know you are not living in Abuja. You are going to different parts of the country. The federal government has directed that each and every one of you should be given a token of $100 to enable you to travel to where you are going. Are you happy? Are you happy? Okay, thank you very much, and God bless you. You are welcome back.
Hello, you've all seen. So please, kindly advise others that are planning to travel. Let them know that there's no place like home. So now, there is a process. What did we agree? We will not let them call us. Yes, we will show them we're civilized and we will do everything orderly. And please, let others know that there is absolutely no place like Nigeria. So you are all welcome home. Thank you.
So, thank you very much, Your Excellency. We have a few desks. Can we meet you? What is your name?
My name is Precious
Precious who?
Okorie.
Okay, you're from which state?
I'm from Ebonyi State.
Where do you stay?
You mean here in Nigeria?
Yes.
I live in Benin City.
Okay, so what took you to Dubai?
I went there for, I went there myself. I paid for my flight. I paid for everything. I went there to work. As you can see here on my, where is my passport? Okay. I worked in Dubai. Why I'm here is because I know a lot of girls are here, and so many Nigerians will be wondering that all the girls here, maybe all, they believe that all of them went for something else, like in form of prostitution and all that. I just came here to talk about not every person that traveled went for prostitution. We wanted a better opportunity. Some of us got this opportunity. I'm an example of the person that got this opportunity. I was working in Dubai, so I lost my job, and then I got another job, but it was difficult for me because there was no employment visa. There was no, this is the first place I worked in Rotana, Towers Rotana in Dubai. I worked as a waitress. So after working for 6 months, I lost my job. After losing my job, I got job opportunities in other companies, but they refuse us employment visa. They refuse us employment visa. So a lot of us, a lot of girls there, they are suffering the same. They're having the same. There are some of us that went there and we don't want to do prostitution. We want to work. But this employment visa and even not having visa change. I have like 3 friends there also. They're having the same problem. Like they want to work, but these things have been denied due to 1 or 2 things that
So what led to this your being considered as a stranded Nigerian?
As what?
Okay, what led to this your coming? You are being evacuated.
Okay, so after then, because the more you know, we have family back home. When you work, you have to send money home, and like those things, and also bills. After I lost my job, I stayed like extra 6 months. I wasn't able to get a job. I spent all the money I had. I became stranded. So I went to.
I understand. So what do you say about your being evacuated now? You know who? You are told that it's a president that approved your
Madam, let me hear word. If Mr. President pay be na dead person when he die from Nigeria, na America come all the way from America go back to America, and that dead person na Nigeria. Shut up, wetin now your president do?
I was surprised because that was like I wasn't expecting it. And getting there, they told me that okay, you can go back home. We can help you. I told them I don't have flight ticket, and they told me yes, you can still go back home. And I was like, how possible is this? I said okay, let me see how it is, and then. Surprisingly, I'm here. I really appreciate and I'm really grateful.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah. What is a question? Can we meet you? Who are you? What is your name?
My name is Blessing Emmanuel.
From which state?
From Jos.
From Plateau State?
Yeah.
Okay. How long have you been in Dubai?
Just 3 months. But
what
there's...
took you to Dubai?
I'm woman trafficking.
Eh?
Business.
You say human?
Woman trafficking, yeah.
So how did you find yourself in Dubai?
It's very hard because the promise and the way they'll talk to you before you leave your country is very different from the one you meet there. The life there is very hard, very, very hard. Many ladies here, they have many injuries in their body because of the way they treat them. We are there like a slave. You have to hustle hard to give them their money. And last, they don't carry anything come to your country. Many ladies are here now, they give a lot of millions of naira, but they didn't have any money here.
How did you get to Dubai?
I get to Dubai through friends. I work in a Chinese company before going to Dubai.
Chinese company in Nigeria?
Yeah.
So what will you say about your experience? Did you enjoy your experience? Or?
I didn't enjoy. And my advice to all the ladies here in Nigeria, do not allow anybody to deceive you that Dubai is good, that you will make money. You have to be patient and make your money in your country. The life there is very hard.
Thank you. Precious, what we meet you, what's your name and from which state?
My name is Muritala Olabi Said.
From which state?
I'm from Oyo State, sir.
Okay, so what took you to Dubai?
To get a new life in Dubai. when we reach Dubai, we know that Dubai is not a good home for Africa, but we are still endure up to this moment. But as I'm talking to you, I've been there for 9 years as a security. When the problem comes from they ban all Nigerian visa, so my company told me they will not renew all Nigerians. But many Nigerians are there, they are suffering. I can't lie to you because there's no work. Many people have employment visa, freelance visa, which is up to 1.5 million. So they are not giving anybody job again.
So what advice will you give?
My advice is that home is home. Nigeria is good if our government can do a lot of things for us, like they provide good job for us. We are working tirelessly in UAE. If they provide job as me now, when they banned my visa, I changed to car wash, street car wash. I have like 300 cars on the street, but the problem is I don't have working permit. That is why CID cash every one of us. So I lost a lot of things. Like I have scooter. They seize everything. They collect money from me because nothing I can do. I don't have working permit. That is the problem, sir.
So what will you say about your flight back to Nigeria?
It's very good. The flight back to Nigeria is very good because Nigeria government are doing well for us. I swear they are doing well for us because we are stranded. They are not giving us good food. They are giving us the food like cat cannot eat.